In today's video, I'm going to answer what is Twitter Circle and how to use Twitter Circle 2023. So to answer that question, you just have to go to your browser and type in what is Twitter Circle. It says here that Twitter Circle is a way to send tweets, to select people, and share your thoughts with a smaller crowd. You choose who's in your Twitter circle, and only the individuals you've added can reply to and interact with the tweets you share in the circle. And you can also find here that you can include up to 150 people in your Twitter circle. And it says here that you can only have one Twitter circle and many more. So just go ahead and read everything. Every question about the Twitter circle, you can find the answer here. So the next one I'm going to show you is how to use Twitter Circle 2023. So make sure your Twitter is updated, and once you open your Twitter, if you're new to Twitter, just go ahead and tap the plus sign and tap on tweets. And then click on this one to choose audience. Select Twitter Circle, and then how the Twitter Circle works. Just read this, and then once done, just go and press the caret. So I'll just repeat the process and you will see the difference later. So when you press the tweets, then tap the public and change it to Twitter Circle. And as you can see here, there is an edit option. Just go ahead and tap that one. In here, you don't have a Twitter circle, so just go on the recommended option and search on any people that you wanted to add. So for example, Selena Gomez, just press ads. Spotify, just press ads. And then you can see here, you just added your Twitter circle. So let's start making our tweet. Just go ahead and type, for example, hello. Once done, just go ahead and press the tweet. So once you go to your profile, you can see your tweet. And it says here that only your Twitter circle can read and message on your tweet. And that's it. That's how to use Twitter Circle in your Twitter. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.